Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. There's a 10 o'clock news PM. I am looking forward to see broadcaster BBC News today. Today, about community activator log, Hurricane Mitch. Hurricane Mitch was a powerful, extremely deadly, catastrophic tropical cyclone, became the second deadliest hurricane record. Mitch caused 374 fatalities, Central America, 198 deaths, including extremely 3,800 nuclear to catastrophic flooding from the slow motion of the storm. It was the deadliest hurricane in Central American history. Suppressing Hurricane Fifi, Arlene was killed slightly fewer people in the same area. In 1974, Mitch was deadliest hurricane in the deadliest hurricane, second deadliest recording Atlantic, only behind the Great Hurricane 780, which killed at least 22,000 people, 13,000 storm, and 9th hurricane, the third major hurricane, 1998, Hurricane October 22nd, 1990, after responding extremely severe condition. It reportedly strength to peak Category 5, highest possible rating on the Saffir-Simpson scale after drifting Honduras Metro Category 1, Hurricane Mitch. Referred to through Central America, returned Ibe, Cafe and ultimately impacted Florida, a strong tropical storm. It became extraordinary and accelerated northeastward across the night. At the time, Mitch was strongest Atlantic hurricane of the month October, surpassing Hurricane Hetty of the 1961 season. Recorded was stand for 7 years until the season. Please keep yourself safe and home. Good night, everyone. And the latest in this, good night, everyone. Good night.